We almost there. As soon as we finish this little bit of framing we got right here, I worked in the steps today. It took a little while right there because I don't have a freaking pre-created fabricated joist, stair joist or whatever. Had to do that. You see, we ready for the boards over there. We're gonna start laying the freaking flooring. Next load, I go to the store. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of just the standard decking to start putting the deck down. So, and we'll start covering things up. All right, we got the delivery. Well, pickup. Just with the Lowe's picked up that big bulk 96 pack. I was about to get them to break it up because I knew exactly I needed like 72 plus a few more roughly, but I just bought the whole 96 because if I got extra, like Cat Williams say, we buy a 9-piece chicken, niggas eat 6, throw the rest out the window because we got money like that. Fuck it. But nah, I'm gonna use up. I'll probably end up using the rest of them. Maybe building some outdoor furniture or something like that. But we got wood. We got wood. And we about to start laying some slabs down. Let's get this going. Use these last couple hours in the day. We coming along. I'm gonna finish laying all this out today. All this gonna be done. Then I'm gonna start working up that wall and up that little wall right there. Then I'll start overlaying going that way, and overlaying going that way, and up that. So I plan on having all of this done. Majority of this gonna be covered as far as the base. So I'm just keep plowing away at it. So we got the majority of the bottom done. Gotta put these two joists in, and then I'll finish it out over there. This has to come down because I'm gonna have access now to my actual covered patio, and I'll be able to walk straight over there off of one. I'm gonna build a step right there. You're getting down horseflies out here. So I done brought this up over, and now I'm going to the wall with it. I'm gonna have to come back later on and rip a board to go in there. Same for the back of him. I'm gonna have to rip another small board. Might be able to use the excess of the first board, honestly, from the front. Gotta put a support for this right here after I trim that even, so I can bring more boards straight across the back over here. I'm about to start bringing wood up this right here and close this in. So I'm gonna have to put another backing piece behind these pieces right here, so I can have something to tack the wood onto. So then I have a little mini wall right here. Then I'll start taking the wood in here and then up here for the planting section. You know, this is the planting beds. Goddamn horseflies. So this is gonna be the planting bed, and this is gonna be the artificial trees on the front side. So you're not even gonna see this when you're walking around most of the time because the bed gonna be sitting down in here. Actual real life herbs. I'm gonna put herbs, garlic, green onion, stuff that I'm already growing like in small pools. Like I got these little pools I be growing smaller herbs in. I'm gonna get rid of them because they look ugly as hell around the crib. So, and you see I got some more over there. I'm gonna get rid of all that stuff. But anyway, progress so far. Alright. Just the progress I'm making. So today we got all this covered. All this covered. All of that's covered. Gotta finish up some more stuff over here. Gotta put the wall back in over here. I'm gonna have the turf wall, like grass wall type junk. And I'm gonna have the neon sign in the middle right here, just ta ta ta. I'm gonna close this corner in. And bring all the, gotta put more wood up right here. Cover that up. Just the flower bed. Planter's gonna be right here. Artificial trees are gonna be right here on the front side. That's why I got this little front strip right here. I'm gonna have some artificial trees all right here. Shrubs just looking good as hell. Perfect. Gotta close this all in and wall this in. I'm gonna have my lights So my circuits already got my circuits ran already. So I'm gonna have my outdoor lighting here. Still got some outdoor lighting right there. I'm gonna have some outdoor lighting on the sides over there too. So, oh yeah, I gotta put some outdoor lights right here on the front too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna have 4 outdoor lights right here too. So, yep, it's coming together. Okay, we back today after an exhausting long day. Yesterday, putting all this floor and base down, which looks marvelous, by the way. Got a long way to go, but it's a lot done. Today, I'm continuing my wiring, which has been in this wall for a couple years. That I'm finally getting to bringing the circuit around, because I had this wire ran whenever I put this up on the patio project. I did the wiring inside this wall for this future project because I saw this in my head. That's how I am. I'm a visionary, and I saw this deck the same way it is right now, minus a couple little tweaks that, like this flower bed and planter, the artificial trees and planter being in here. I saw all of this, the wall, everything. So I had the wire already ran. I had the wire sitting right here and just kind of curled up. I actually had it around the corner. And then later on, I just buried it all the way down to the end, to the shop down there, just to get it out the way. And whenever I did the underground, I didn't even record that part, but basically the gutters that I have ran, which came out right here and came out from the one on the corner, around the corner right there, down, out, I piped them in to where now it hits a 90, goes straight out down there, tees into that one that's coming from this way, and goes up again, and then goes 90 straight out to right there. So now all my water from my gutters just flow out under the deck, and it's all buried under this ground. I did that about 2-3 weeks ago. Me and my son did a lot of digging. Finally got it done. But anyway, the wire that comes from this wall comes right there. And now I'm doing the wiring for the deck lighting. Backside and front side are gonna have deck lights. So right now I'm running the circuits and I'm daisy chaining them all the way down, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. All right, so when I get here to the end, I'm gonna go back around under again before I close all that in. And I'm gonna run some lighting circuits on the top. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 2 or 4 yet. I was thinking 2 initially because I want that neon light in the middle. But I might just put 4 and just kind of put the boxes on the top or something to where they kind of out the way in case I did want to do some more lighting. Not sure yet. But for the front side, you can see, since I do have a lot of the wood on, you can see the wires are gonna be here, 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 and then the 4th one is gonna be down here, which I'm working on getting to right now. So that's where I'm at right now. That's the update, the wiring. I'm trying to get y'all the meat, show y'all how I did things. Instead of y'all watching me do it for 20 minutes. And you can see how I brought them in real quick. And I stapled them. So that little bend that's going through that hole, the staples are holding them down. Those are 1/2-inch staples, by the way, pretty deep. And that's what's kind of wedging the holes, wedging the slack in on the backside. Whenever I'm done wiring them in, I'm just gonna push the wires back in, and they'll be out the way. But that's all I'm doing right now. See y'all back later.